So let's check the neck here. All right. Good. Not too bad there. Good. So how's the shoulders today?
Not bad.
Luke's a quarterback, so he's, there's a lot of torque on the shoulder. So it's always been something that we want to make sure that we're focusing on. If you follow along, he's going to be starting soon. That's my prediction. So let's get this little back here. Good. A lot of the bigger guys, they always wonder if a little chiropractor, can he adjust these big guys? It has nothing to do with strength or anything like that or power. It's all about positioning and speed. So just getting on that right spot and applying the thrust right into it. So all right, come on up.